Acer Aspire Vero 16 hands-on. I tried the world's first oyster shell laptop. Performance bursting at the carbon-neutral seams. We've seen a wide range of new tech announced and showcased at CES 2025, including everything from gaming handhelds to electric scooters. The star of the show has certainly been AI, and the new Acer Aspire Vero 16 takes full advantage, all while being encased in a blend of post-consumer recycled plastic and a brand new oyster shell material. Acer has stated that the Acer Aspire Vero 16 is committed to carbon neutrality for its entire life cycle. On top of using bio-based materials, it uses an easy-to-fix design in order to ensure that repairing is an option before replacing. The Acer Aspire Vero 16 is set to release in April in the US at $799.99 and then later on in Q2 in Europe at €1,199. These are starting prices which will fluctuate based on the specifications you're looking for. It's definitely one of the more affordable options on the market, especially in the US. However, regional pricing puts it at a much higher price point elsewhere. When first laying eyes on the Acer Aspire Vero 16, I think it's quite clear that it's made from recycled material due to the color and design. It looks pretty, with a marbled green chassis encasing the entire device including the trackpad. As well as recycled plastic, the chassis is also made from oyster shell material, making it carbon neutral and 100% recyclable. Unfortunately, when holding and using the Acer Aspire Vero 16, it feels like cheap plastic. The casing has quite a light and fragile feel to it, and I wouldn't entirely trust the Vero 16 in my backpack without an extra layer of protection like a case or sleeve, and even then, it's a risk. Despite being cased in plastic, the Acer Aspire Vero 16 is actually a bit heavier than I was expecting. It weighs in at 3.97 pounds, 1.8 kilograms, which isn't the most lightweight option out there, but isn't too heavy for you to transport to and from work or keep with you on the go either. Just be sure to pack it up snug and secure. The Acer Aspire Vero 16 measures in at less than 2 centimeters, and despite being so slim, it still comes packed full of ports. You get to take advantage of 2 Thunderbolt ports, as well as a USB-A port, an HDMI 2.1 port, and an audio jack. You get an LCD display panel on the Vero 16, which is 1920 x 1200 pixels. Despite not being OLED, the screen is actually very bright and vibrant. It looks absolutely stunning, but did leave me wanting slightly more in terms of resolution. However, at this price point you can't complain too much. Picking up the Acer Aspire Vero 16 allows you to take advantage of up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 255H processor paired with Intel Arc graphics, as well as 32 GB of RAM. This machine offers absolutely insane performance, especially for its price point. Regardless of what you're intending to use it for, it offers a high level of performance for a wide range of productivity and creativity tasks. Of course, having this processor means you get to take advantage of a range of AI features, including Copilot Plus, to help you speed up the process of everyday tasks. But as AI slowly takes over the laptop space, this is becoming more common. With a 65Wh battery, you'll get a decent battery life out of this laptop. Acer states it'll run approximately 10.5 hours, allowing you to get through a workday and then some on a full charge. While Lenovo offers up some impressive green tricks with the X9, if you want to go the whole eco-friendly hog, welcome to Acer's latest Vero model. This is a laptop built around sustainability, and the new Aspire Vero 16 has a chassis that's manufactured using bio-based oyster shell material and over 70% post-consumer recycled plastic recycled by everyday people in their bins or at recycling stations. The touchpad is made from plastic retrieved from the ocean, too, and the laptop boasts an easy-to-repair design. All that represents a big green-friendly tick, which made the Vero 16 a CES Innovation Award honoree this year. This 16-inch notebook packs Core Ultra 200H series processors, up to Core Ultra 7, featuring Intel AI Boost for speeding up AI workloads, and up to 32 GB of memory and up to 2 TB of storage. Vero 16 pricing will start at $799.99 in the US, with an April launch.